Hello there, my friends. So today in this video, we're going to talk about the differences between the Go Air Pop and the Go Air True Wireless earbuds. These are about almost 3 years old. I bought these in the spring of 2002, and you can see here they are outside the case. And these have served me very well, actually. Not a bad purchase. So why did I buy these? Well, I bought these because there were people in the comments that wanted to know about using the Go Air Pop, so I bought these to see if there's any difference. Now, when I bought these were about $25 on sale. I think they were $30 normal. Now you can find these, I think the last time I checked on Amazon, they're $15. And these I think I got for $20. So that gives you an idea of price. So $5 difference on this. Now I have yet to open these up, so let's do that. Let's see what we got here. So first thing, looks like the way the box opens from the bottom. At least that's the way I did it. And then pop those out like so. And this looks more like a skull candy case to me, because it's got the lid on it. And I got these in black because I already had blue. This case opens from the side, just so you know, which is kind of cool. It feels like there's a little magnet in there or something to keep the box closed. Anyway, that does not seem to be the case for this case. So let's see. You got the earbuds, pop them open. So you got a nice lid here. This lid is easier to open than the lid that I used to have for the skull candy ones. Really smooth. There's a little indicator light there. And also, this is very confusing to a lot of people. These are USBs. They don't look like USBs, but like this pops out and fits into a USB port. So does this. So in order to charge these, you're going to want to put them into a laptop, USB, any USB. So it could be on your computer, it could be on a laptop, it could be on a TV set, or you could use a brick, like the kind that you use to charge your cell phone. You could do that. So here, once we open this, you can see here, there's a little tab here, a little piece of paper, and that's to prevent these earbuds from making contact inside the case so that they don't start charging. So this is interesting. They're not the easiest thing in the world to get out of the case. See inside the case, you can see little contacts here. One of the things that was weird about these buds was that it was easy to get the right and left confused and put them in the wrong way. It's close enough that people, the magnet would pick it up. That's how these stay in. It's magnetized. So that's the right way. But people would often put these in the wrong way. I did it myself. And they fit, but they don't sit flush. And then obviously the light doesn't come on saying they're charging. So let's see if there's an improvement in the design here in the new ones. So let me just pop them in here and see what happens. So that seems to be the correct way, because you can see that the light's flashing there. That looks like it's an indicator that it's charging. Like I said, this is the first time I've opened these, so I don't know all the indicator lights and details. Okay, I'm already having trouble getting these out of the case, so that's a big minus for these. I had the same issue with the skull candy ones. Man, these might have to go back. All right, so let's try putting them in the wrong way and see what happens. So on these, if you put the left in the right slot and vice versa, there's really no way to do that and get the cap closed. So it looks like at least that's an improvement in design. But the earbuds are really hard to get out of the case. See, these pretty easy. These not as easy. twist, I guess. Twist. So smooth. It's hard to, feels like the same kind of plastic. All right, so they still have the logo on the side. That's cool. So let's look at the differences here. They look very much similar design. I know on the box it says that these are gonna last longer. So let's check out the box and see what the differences are here. So 20 hours of playtime or more, 32 hours of playtime on the Go Air Pop, all right? So these came out a year later, at least a year later. And so the battery's gonna last longer, it says. Now, don't get confused. If you don't charge these, you're not gonna, on one charge, you're not gonna get these to last 20 hours, right, in your ears. Probably 2 to 3 or maybe even 4 hours, but that's the most, before you have to put them back in the charging case. So basically what this is saying is that the case, once the case is charged, okay, so you plug this in and then you charge the case. Once the case is charged, then the earbuds receive the charge from the case, okay, while it's not plugged in, right? So this is like plugging into a battery. And then you can get 20 plus hours of battery life on this one once the case is charged. That's what this means, okay? That's confusing to a lot of people. They think they're gonna get a lot of playtime out of these earbuds, but it's actually the case that they're talking about, the 32 hours here and 20 hours here. Plus, what also is confusing is people will put the earbuds in the case and then they'll plug in this and they'll think that their earbuds are charging, but they're actually charging the case when they're doing this. And then once the case is charged, you detach it and then the case is charging the earbuds. Is that clear? If that's not clear, put it in the comments below. But a lot of people got confused on that, and they'll say, like, I charge my earbuds overnight, but they're not playing. Why not? And it's because you were charging the case, and you thought you were charging the earbuds. It happened to me before too, so be aware of that. A lot of the same features. It says here is a little bit of a smaller fit, 15% smaller fit. I don't know. Let's take a look again. Let's see if they look smaller to you. So they do look like they're not as wide. No, I don't think so. Huh. A little bit different, maybe. A little bit. It's hard to tell if that's because of the color or if that's because of the... Yeah, the shape's just slightly different. So maybe 15% smaller fit. Not sure. They do have like the customized EQ sounds. So there's 3 settings where you can get like more bass or you can get more voice. So that's kind of cool. I really don't use that very much. I never used it on this, but it does have that feature on here as well. So that's good to know. And yeah, it says here, dual connect either earbud. So you can use one. So like say you're at work, but you have to like, they let you wear an earbud, but you have to have one ear free. You can hook up one of these earbuds at a time. So that's cool, or both. So that's a nice option. I do have to admit, these fit very snugly in my ear. I had no problem with them falling out, even with when I was running. So that's good to know. And plus, at this price point, if I did lose an earbud, yeah, it would be an annoyance, but it would break the bank. So it's not like you know, buying a pair of AirPods and running with them and then having them drop into a drain sewer or something like that. With these, I'm not gonna have to worry about that. I kind of like the idea of the cover because that way I can throw these in my bag and or my coat, and I don't have to worry about these popping out and having to search for them in my pockets. But I don't like the fact that these don't come out of the case as easily as I would like them to. That's just my slippery fingers, I guess, on that plastic. Anyway, that's like a preliminary comparison between the two. I hope this helped you. If you have any questions, of course, put them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them, and that will help me to make follow-up videos. Thanks for the suggestions, and I'll try these out, and as I try them out, I'll let you know how they perform. So, yeah, have a great day, and if this had any value at all, smash like, and like I said, if you have any questions, put them in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. Take care.